If you click on edit on your clip, and here's an example of a green screen, two examples actually, one of a subscribe button that I've added, and one of bits of paper flying around the lady as she dances in the sea. So if you click on the plus sign, you can see the green screen, select your clip and then click on the three dots, and then you can select the green blue screen. So when she's dancing around, you can see the bits of paper flying through the air around her. You can also adjust the time of the green screen by moving it with your fingers. You can do that at either end. Highlight the clip or the video on the timeline, and you can move either one, highlighting them and then moving them with your fingers. I hope you found value in this video. Please like and subscribe to see more videos.